If Krita is showing an error opening file, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you a few practical ways to recover your artwork and get back to work as quickly as possible. This usually happens when a save gets interrupted, a file becomes corrupted, the drive has permission issues, or Krita can't properly unpack the document. The good news is that in many cases, you can still recover part or all of your project. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and creative workflow tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the hidden backup file. When Krita saves your work, it often creates a backup copy in the same folder as your original project. So the first thing you should do is open the folder where your broken Krita file is stored. Look carefully for a file with the same name that ends in a tilde or one that starts with a dot. Depending on your operating system and file settings, this backup file may be hidden or displayed in a different way, so make sure hidden items are visible if needed. Once you find that backup file, copy it to your desktop so you can work on a safe duplicate instead of risking the original. Then right-click the file, choose Rename, and change the extension at the very end to a normal .kra file. If the file was saved as a backup copy and the contents are still intact, Krita may be able to open it normally once it has the proper extension. After renaming, try opening that file inside Krita and see if your project loads. If that doesn't work, the next method is to treat the Krita file like a compressed archive. A .kra file is basically a packaged file that contains your layers, previews, and project data. So if the file is partially damaged but not completely destroyed, you may still be able to extract the artwork manually. Right-click the broken .kra file and rename it. Delete the .kra at the end and replace it with .zip. For example, if your file is called artwork.kra, change it to artwork.zip. If Windows gives you a warning, confirm the change. Now right-click the new .zip file and choose Extract All. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and look for a file called mergedimage.png. In some cases, you may also find useful content inside a preview folder. The merged image is usually a flattened version of your drawing, and it can be a lifesaver if the layer for it file won't open. You can open that image in Krita and use it to continue editing, redraw details, or rebuild the project from there. Next, if your file is stored in a location that uses active backup or sync tools, pause or disable those drive folder backups temporarily. Sometimes Cloud Sync, drive protection, or folder backup software can interfere with Krita saving or opening files correctly. If the file is on a network drive, external drive, or synced folder, try moving a copy to your local desktop or documents folder before opening it again. This can help eliminate permission problems or incomplete file access. Also, instead of double-clicking the KRA file directly, try opening Krita first and then importing or opening the file from inside the program. Sometimes this bypasses file association problems and gives Krita a better chance to read the document properly. Once Krita is open, use the File menu, choose Open, and select the file manually. If that still fails, try opening the recovered merged image or the extracted contents from the zip method. If none of these methods work, the file may be too damaged to fully recover, but even then, the zip extraction step often gives you at least part of your artwork back. That can save hours of work, especially on large paintings or layered projects. And if you're recovering a file on a regular basis, it's a good idea to check your save settings, make frequent backups, and avoid interrupting Krita during saving. So to recap, check for a hidden backup file, rename it to .kra, try extracting the broken KRA file as a zip archive, look for mergedimage.png or preview files, pause any drive backup tools, and try importing the file from inside Krita instead of opening it directly. These steps solve a lot of Krita file opening issues and can help you recover work that would otherwise seem lost. If this tutorial helped you fix the Krita error opening file problem, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.